Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to log in into your Alipay Hong Kong account step by step. First, download and open the AlipayHK app on your device. Then, tap on Next. You can tap on More and then click on Email Login. Then, enter your email address. Once you're done entering your email address, then tap Next and then enter your account and then click Confirm. After that, you may also receive a verification code OTP on your phone. Enter the code to complete the login process. Once logged in, you can access payments, transfer, and other services in the app. That's how you log in into the Alipay Hong Kong app. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide.